Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At RenEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. The adoption of solar power and electric vehicles, EVs, is becoming increasingly popular as companies recognize the financial and environmental benefits of these sustainable technologies. In this video post, we will explore two real-life examples of well-known companies that have successfully integrated solar power and electric vehicles into their operations. We will discuss the challenges they faced, the benefits they've experienced, and the lessons we can learn from their commitment to sustainability. Case Study 1, IKEA, Global Home Furnishing Retailer. IKEA, the world's largest home furnishing retailer, has been a frontrunner in adopting sustainable practices. As part of their commitment to becoming climate positive by 2030, IKEA has been investing in renewable energy sources, including solar power, and incorporating electric vehicles into their delivery fleet. Challenges faced. Scalability. IKEA operates in multiple countries, which presents challenges in terms of scaling solar power installations and electric vehicle infrastructure across their global network of stores and distribution centers. Regulatory differences. The regulatory environment for renewable energy and electric vehicles varies across different countries, requiring IKEA to navigate complex legal frameworks and adapt their approach to local regulations. Benefits and impact. Operational cost savings. By generating electricity from solar panels installed on their stores and distribution centers, IKEA has significantly reduced their energy costs. Additionally, using electric vehicles for deliveries has lowered their fuel and maintenance expenses. Environmental benefits. IKEA's commitment to solar power and electric vehicles has substantially reduced their carbon emissions, contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment. Enhanced brand image. IKEA's dedication to sustainability has bolstered their brand image, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers and setting a positive example for other companies. Case Study 2, UPS, Global Package Delivery Company. United Parcel Service, UPS, a global package delivery and supply chain management company, has been actively investing in renewable energy and clean transportation solutions. UPS has installed solar panels at several of their facilities and has been incorporating electric vehicles into their delivery fleet. Challenges faced. Fleet integration. Integrating electric vehicles into UPS's extensive delivery fleet required careful planning and coordination, as well as investments in charging infrastructure. Vehicle range. Electric vehicles typically have a shorter range than traditional internal combustion engine vehicles, requiring UPS to carefully plan delivery routes to ensure vehicles can complete their tasks without running out of power. Benefits and impact. Operational cost savings. UPS's investments in solar power and electric vehicles have resulted in reduced energy costs and lower fuel and maintenance expenses for their delivery fleet. Environmental benefits. The adoption of solar power and electric vehicles has significantly reduced UPS's carbon footprint, aligning with their commitment to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Positive brand reputation. UPS's sustainable initiatives have helped strengthen their brand reputation, demonstrating their commitment to environmental responsibility. Conclusion. IKEA and UPS stand as real-life examples of renowned companies that have effectively incorporated solar power and electric vehicles into their operations. Their experiences showcase that adopting these sustainable technologies can lead to considerable cost savings, environmental benefits, and enhanced brand reputation. As solar power and electric vehicle technologies continue to advance and become increasingly accessible, it is expected that a growing number of businesses, from small enterprises to large corporations, will join these industry pioneers in adopting such practices. These case studies emphasize the significance of adopting sustainable practices and underscore the potential advantages for businesses of all sizes. Although the initial challenges of implementing solar power systems and integrating electric vehicles into their operations may be daunting, both IKEA and UPS have proven that these investments can yield long-term cost savings, decreased carbon emissions, and a more robust brand image. Lessons learned. Long-term planning and commitment. Companies looking to adopt solar power and electric vehicles must be prepared for long-term investments and planning, taking into account the regulatory environment, infrastructure requirements, and technological advancements. Adapting to change and innovation. Companies need to stay open to new technologies and innovations, as the renewable energy and electric vehicle sectors continue to progress swiftly. Fostering collaborative networks. Encouraging the widespread adoption of solar power and electric vehicles, companies can reap the benefits of forging partnerships with governments, local communities, and other stakeholders. Such collaborative endeavors aid in the creation of supportive ecosystems and promote the exchange of knowledge. In conclusion, the achievements of IKEA and UPS act as a wellspring of inspiration for other companies contemplating the incorporation of solar power and electric vehicles into their operations. As the world shifts toward a more sustainable future, businesses investing in renewable energy and clean transportation solutions will not only play a crucial role in the global fight against climate change but will also be well equipped to prosper in an increasingly environmentally aware market. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.